Hi, welcome to Glider Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to find the groups that you joined on Facebook. If for any reason you want to see the group that you joined on Facebook, the first thing you have to do is to log into your Facebook. The next is to click on the three icon found at the bottom of your screen here. So right here, you're going to see groups. You just click on it. So you're going to see the list of groups that you have joined on Facebook, and also their recent posts will also pop out here. You can also even see your groups, the group that you particularly, so you can see all the groups that you have joined. If you click on your group, you're going to see all the group that you have joined so far on Facebook. If you want to chat from here, you can just click on any of them and chat. You can also see their posts. You can also see their jump back in. You can see everything you want to see from this section concerning the whole groups that you have joined so far on Facebook. So guys, that is it. If you have any question, please drop it on the comment section, or if you want me to make any video related to this, just drop your question on the comment section. I'm going to reply to it. Thanks for watching.